Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to register a sole proprietorship. First, understand that a sole proprietorship is the simplest business structure, often requiring minimal formal registration beyond basic licenses. Next, choose a unique business name. If you plan to operate under a name other than your legal name, you will likely need to file a doing business as or DBA name with your local county or state office. Moving on to federal and state requirements, you'll need an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS if you plan to hire employees or file excise tax returns. While sole proprietorships generally don't require formal state registration, you must check for any state-specific licenses or permits relevant to your industry. Some states may also require you to register your business name, especially if it's a DBA. Next, focus on local and industry-specific steps. Many cities and counties require a basic business license to operate, so contact your local government offices. Certain industries also have specific regulations or professional licenses you must obtain. As a sole proprietor, you report business income and expenses on your personal tax return, typically using IRS Form 1040 and Schedule C. Finally, for ongoing compliance, maintaining clear and accurate financial records is crucial for tax purposes. It's highly recommended to separate your personal and business finances, perhaps by opening a dedicated business bank account. While a sole proprietorship is simple, regularly review your business structure to ensure it still meets your needs as your business grows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.